Pwede na tayong matulog.
So we just rested for a bit, then nag-isa na gamit and also nag-change outfit, and now we are on our way to Shimending. Thank you nga pala kay ate na nag-initiate na mag-picture sa amin dalawa. Shushe, maganda magpa-picture dito pag madaling araw para walang tao. We went to the Hello Kitty 7-Eleven near Shimending and it's so cute. There's nothing like this in the Philippines. Walang team-team, lahat plain, lahat normal, default design. So it felt extra special na makita to, like, if you know, you know! Pa-cute yarn.
So, Hello Kitty ba to guys? Ay, black. Si Kurumi. So, Ira, this is for you. Sana maganda ang makuha natin. Beauty ba? Ay, mali pala to compared doon. Pero please, we're gonna try the egg. Tea egg. Kakailan.
Usog na may tea.
Naman tea?
Sa tea egg, sa tea. Kaya tamang tea egg.
Pwede naman tayo ba?
Okay.
Same lang yung lasa.
Lalasa ko yung tea.
We stopped by Kampai Tea for some milk tea. And this is our first milk tea in Taiwan. And apparently, this is my ate's childhood drink. And sobrang saya niya na rin. Not gonna lie, sobrang sarap ng milk tea dito. Iba talaga yung lasa. And hindi siya katulad ng sa Pinas na iisa lang yung lasa ng mga milk tea bawat shops.
Please like and read the nice comments. I love these comments.
Ang cute ng cat look. So, bili tayo ng pagkain natin. We have Xiaolong Bao.
Xiaolong. Ito na kayo mas.
So, nahulog yung chopsticks namin kaya ayan, kinamay na lang natin.
Ginger cow choy.
Malok. Hindi, sabag na. One, two, three. Cheers.
Bumili rin kami dito ng chicken and tofu and spicy tofu and sobrang sarap niya.